Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to send automated order updates to your customer when they make a purchase with your business on WhatsApp chatbot. In order to set up that automation rule, you need to go into the automations under communications, click on add a rule. I'm going to click on order, and here we have several different templates. In this instance, what I want to do is I want to send order updates automatically to the customer whenever there is something changed in the order, like the statuses, whether it's from paid to shipping or shipping to completed, those kind of order updates. So I'm going to click on install. Let's just take a minute to understand. We've got the trigger set up as order updates. I'm going to enable the rule. Here we've got the order status not equals pending. So what that means is if the status changes from any other status apart from pending, that's when this whole rule will trigger, and it will perform the action of sending a WhatsApp template message. By default, the platform already provides you Whauto order status update template, and the personalization variables is all filled up automatically for you. All you have to do is review that and click on save. Now that is done, we've already received an order. I'm gonna go access the orders by clicking on the orders option under finance, and here we've got an order with the status as paid. Now let's just update the order status to shipping and click on save. Okay, now that we've updated the shipping, if we go back to WhatsApp, we have automatically received the order updates as well, with the order number, amount, and the status as well. That's it on this video. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about our platform, continue following along our video tutorial series. If you'd like to sign up for our platform, click on the link in the description and sign up for it.